Well, most kids are back to school here in the Valley, and for parents, that can mean some extra health concerns. CBS 47's medical expert, Dr. Giatri Dave, joins us with more. And Dr. Dave, what information does the school need to have on file about your child?
Well, Catherine, good afternoon, and good afternoon, Justin. There are a number of things that parents can provide information to the schools, including the telephone numbers of your child's pediatrician and dentist, as well as any emergency contact information. And you want to give the school nurse a list of the medications that your child is taking, including the ones that he or she is taking at home. And for any medications that your child is taking during the school day, that should be in a prescription label bottle. Any allergies, any food allergies, for example, and any special conditions that your child may have, a brace that he or she may be wearing, or a heart murmur.
Should parents be at all concerned with backpack safety?
Yes, there are a number of backpacks that are out there, and you want to choose a backpack that has a padded strap that is padded in the back, and encourage your child to wear that backpack on both shoulders rather than slinging it on one shoulder and creating muscle strain. And if your child has a heavy load, perhaps consider a rolling backpack. You want to keep the load about 10 to 20% of your child's weight to avoid any muscle strain or injuries.
It looks just as cool to have it over both shoulders. Well, besides the first week of school jitters and nervousness, are there other things that parents should look out for, maybe signs that their child is being teased or bullied?
Yes, Catherine. You want to encourage your child during the first week to make friends, but have your child be aware of bullying, which occurs when one child picks repeatedly on another child, and this can take the form of social, verbal, or physical bullying, or even technological bullying that can occur at school, at the bus, at home, or even on the internet. And if your child is a victim of bullying, you want to teach him to respond by learning assertive behavior and telling a trusted adult. If your child is doing the bullying, you want to let him know that it's never acceptable and set firm boundaries. And if your child is witnessing bullying, tell him not to sit quietly, but to tell a trusted adult and support the child that's being bullied.
So it's lunchtime now. Let's talk about school food. How can you encourage your kids to eat healthy?
Well, Justin, most schools will provide cafeteria menus to parents. Parents can review this. If there's a main course menu that's not a preference for your child, pack a healthy lunch and encourage your child to make healthy food choices on the other days.
Can be a little tricky, but yes, just encourage, encourage, encourage. Thank you, Dr. Dave.
You're welcome.
And Dr. Dave joins us on Tuesdays here on our noon show. If you have questions or a topic idea for her, email it to us at newsdesk@cbs47.tv.